So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Debojit Dey, and today I'm back with my new video, and the video is about a Halloween makeover. As you can see in the thumbnail, as you have seen in the thumbnail and the title also. So that's why you have clicked this video to see it, right? So yeah, today is Halloween, and today I have a special guest. He's not special guest.
No. I'm not your special guest.
He's my
Many
friend.
People have seen
Yes.
me in your
If
channel.
you are new to my channel, if you are new to my channel, then you will not know him. Didn't know him. So let me introduce him. So introduce.
Yeah, I'm Subham and I'm a makeup artist. Today I'm here for this kind of. Today I will create a prosthetic look on him, and it's a challenge for me. Because I have done it many days earlier when I was learning makeup and in Guwahati, but today again I will try to create a Halloween makeup or a prosthetic kind of look that is awful to see, and it's too
Scary.
creepy, and it's not a good makeup.
It's a good makeup because this Halloween, right? So we will have to do it. And he did makeup also before. He did makeup means when I was means in Lamding, in my hometown, when there was a Shitla Puja. That time he did my makeup. Yeah, you can go and check it out. I will leave it here, or you will get to see in the I button. So yeah. So before doing this makeup, I wanna say something. Means not me. I don't know much about makeup and the stuff. But if you are doing this prosthetic makeup, if you are doing this prosthetic makeup, and you should keep in mind some precautions, and you must maintain some protocols before doing this makeup. So he will explain to you.
Let me say that what precautions we must take before doing this all sorts of makeup, because in this kind of makeups we need glue, papers, and all that things that we can't do. Brush too, but we can't apply in our regular basis of makeup, and it's not regular. Just keep your mouth shut, Debojit. Don't disappoint me. We must take all the precautions that needed to be taken before doing any sorts of makeup, that is CTM, cleansing, toning and moisturizing, a good primer, and after doing these sorts of makeup, just you need to wash your face very quickly, and you must not waste your time. You must not take a single
You must
moment.
let your skin breathe after doing that makeup.
Yes, and also if you feel any sorts of itchiness on your face, like it's itching on you feel that your face is itching, then you must quickly go and wash your face, because it's glue or paper that itches our skin. Okay, this is the protocols that we need to maintain, and just don't spoil your skin for a makeup.
Okay, so that's it, guys. Just maintain these all protocols and stuffs he said. So yeah, let's get to the makeup. So guys, I am taking the risks of my face. As you can see, I don't know what he is going to do with my face and what makeup he will do, but yeah, let's see. It's challenge for him.
Oh, hello, I'm a makeup artist. Don't underestimate me.
So yeah, guys, let's see.
said I would be nothing, now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had a dedication. People hate saying
Let me get this up. Hi guys, this is Zombie Debojit trying to do vlog, and here's the makeup artist. I cannot talk properly as you can see, but yeah, wait, let me show you the full preview.
now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had a dedication. People hate say we changed and look we made it. Yeah, we made it. Congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had a dedication. People hate say we changed and look we made it. Yeah, we made it. Congratulations.
So guys, this was our video, and I'm showing my expression and all the stuff, but you cannot see. I can also feel that. See,
Yes, because it's all
I'm
glue
right now
and
smiling.
paper, he can't give you any expressions.
please talk louder.
No, just I'm saying that it's all the matter of glue and paper and all colors, etc. And that's the reason why he can't give you any kind of expression.
But guys, what do you think? The makeup is means good or bad? What means he had taken the challenge from me that he will do and make it more creepy and more spooky.
I tried my best and I don't know. Just you can comment below and make me feel satisfied. So your comments.
With the low budget and all the stuff, we have tried our best to make it look more realistic.
Just 3 things I applied, 4 things I applied.
Just tell them.
That is glue, a good primer that I said that precautions we will have to take before doing all these sorts of makeup, and colors and papers, etc. And honey.
Honey for the shininess.
Yes.
Shininess.
Honey for the shininess, and this look recreated.
You are talking again low. But by the way, you can comment down below and I will give his in Facebook. You use Facebook, right? So I will provide his Facebook link in the description. You can check it out. And he don't do means this all the prosthetic makeup. He don't do. He always do the bridal makeup, right?
Yes.
He is good at bridal makeup. He just tried. Means ages before he had done this all prosthetic makeup, but in years after, so much years after convincing him, after telling that please do, then he did.
He requested me very badly for these sorts of makeup.
So yeah, I hope this will come out so easily.
No, just this makeup looks creepy and I feel scared too by this all sorts of makeup. That's the reason why
All honey.
wait a second. And that's the reason why I do not do these sorts of makeup. This is the makeup we created.
Quickly.
This is the makeup we created. So thank you for watching this video.
I hope you will.
I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe.
If you are new to my channel, then please, if you enjoyed this video, first of all, if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and comment down below that I also want to hear your thoughts and all the stuffs you have enjoyed and all the stuffs. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. In future more I will create like these videos if you think, and if you want more this type of videos, please comment down below. Subham we want it. Subham, we want it. Okay guys, Subham, we want it. Please comment down below. He will also see and he will also try to do again all these types of makeup. So yeah, today up to this much. I hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, and after subscribing then you will get the bell icon also. So please press that. Then you will also get more future related videos of mine. You will get notification. So yeah, till then take care. Bye bye. See you. Stay safe. Goodbye. Bye bye. Yeah. Why are you coming inside my face? Do you wanna kiss me or what?
Just figure out, sir.
I don't think your intentions are good.
Oh,
Yes, Ram.
yeah, yeah. It's a honey. बस done.
Yeah. How was it?
It was good. I will not say anything because I'm the makeup artist. They will comment below.
What do you think, guys? Wait, let me give you the full details and all the stuff.
What details you will give?